In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Klaviyo with Shopify in just about 5 minutes. This integration is a game changer for e-commerce businesses looking to leverage their marketing efforts, so let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Klaviyo account. If you're not already logged in, simply navigate to the Klaviyo login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Take a moment to ensure you're entering the correct details to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. Once you've input your credentials, hit the login button to access your Klaviyo dashboard. This is where the magic starts. Klaviyo's dashboard is the command center for all your email marketing and automation efforts, but today we're focusing on its powerful Shopify integration. From the dashboard, your next move is to locate the integrations option. This might seem a bit daunting at first glance given all the options available, but don't worry, I'll walk you through each step. Once you find the integration section, click on it to proceed to the next stage of the process. Now it's time to add a new integration. Look for the Add Integrations button, which should be fairly visible, and click on it. This opens up a world of potential applications and platforms that you can connect to Klaviyo, enhancing its functionality and your marketing capabilities. In the search bar that appears, type in Shopify. This will filter out the numerous integrations, bringing up Shopify for you. Shopify's platform is designed to work seamlessly with Klaviyo, making this process as smooth as possible. Once you've located the Shopify integration, go ahead and click on Install. This is where the integration process really begins. Clicking Install initiates a sequence of steps that will securely connect your Shopify store with Klaviyo, allowing the two platforms to share data. At this stage, you'll be prompted to add details about your Shopify account. This typically includes your Shopify store URL and possibly some authorization details to ensure a secure connection between Klaviyo and Shopify. It is essential that you enter accurate information here to ensure a successful link up. Let me offer a tip here. If at any point you feel unsure about the details you're entering, it's wise to double check against your Shopify account information. Accuracy is key in these details to ensure that the integration doesn't run into any roadblocks. Once you've completed the information input, the integration process is essentially in the final stretch. What Klaviyo does next is communicate with Shopify to synchronize your store's data with Klaviyo. This includes customer data, transaction histories, and browsing activity on your Shopify site, amongst others. Why is this important, you might ask? Well, with your Shopify store connected to Klaviyo, you can now deploy targeted email marketing campaigns, set up automated email flows based on customer behavior, and much more, directly impacting your store's growth and customer engagement in positive ways. After completing the integration setup, take some time to explore the Klaviyo dashboard once more. You'll notice new options and functionalities that are now unlocked thanks to the Shopify integration. Klaviyo offers a variety of pre-built workflows and segments that are specifically designed to boost your e-commerce efforts, so don't hesitate to start experimenting. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Shopify store to Klaviyo. This integration is a step towards more personalized, data-driven marketing efforts that can significantly enhance your e-commerce business's performance. Remember, the beauty of Klaviyo and Shopify integration lies in its simplicity and the powerful marketing automation it enables. With this setup, you're well on your way to creating more engaging, effective marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience and drive conversions. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found the process straightforward and the explanations clear. Happy marketing, and here's to unlocking the full potential of your Shopify store with Klaviyo.